Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Etsy account. First of all, launch open a web browser on your device. In the URL box, type in etsy.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Etsy. From the home page, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. In this sign in area, you can go ahead and enter your email address and password and click on the sign in button. You can also sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, or with your Apple account credential. I'm going to type in the email address and the password. Write down your correct email and then your password in the correct fields. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you'd like to stay signed in to Etsy account on this specific device, make sure to check this little box at the bottom and finally click on sign in. And right after you have the correct credential and hit sign in, you'll be logged into your Etsy account. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.